Hello student of class 12th, you're welcome in online physics classes. My dear student, today topic is electric potential. You just already calculate the value of electric potential due to a point charge. Today we just derive a expression, a formula for electric potential due to a dipole. Yes, my dear student, due to a dipole. But for the calculating the value of electric potential for a dipole, it has different cases. So first case is electric potential at an axial point of a dipole. Yes, my dear student, for a dipole, here consider a dipole having two charges minus of q and plus of q separated by a distance of 2a. We have to calculate the electric potential at an axial point. So here we draw the diagram. This is a dipole, minus of q charge, plus of q charge. This is point A, this is point B, and the origin, the midpoint, that is O. The total length is 2a, but this is O is the midpoint, so the value of OA and OB both are same, and that is A. At this axial point, take a point P, and the distance of point P from the origin O, that is small r. That is small r, distance between O and P. So here AP, what is the value of AP? AP equals to R plus A. Similarly, the value of BP will be equals to total R then minus A. So R minus A. Here we have to calculate the value of electric potential. We know that the electric potential for a given point charge is, it is remembered by you, that is V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the constant term, and the value of Q upon R. This is the formula. Using the formula 1, electric potential of a dipole is dipole has two type of charges, minus half q and plus half q. So the total potential, electric potential V is equals to the summation of V1 plus V2, where V1 is electric potential due to the charge minus q, and V2 is the electric potential due to the charge plus q. So my dear student, what are the values? For minus half q, the formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a constant value. This is same for all. But here the value of q upon r, the charge here, charge is minus half q, and the r, distance a to p, that is AP. And similarly, plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the charge is plus half q, and distance is BP. Put the value of AP and BP. Here we calculate the value of AP is equals to R plus A, and BP is R minus A. My dear student, so the value will be minus Q, and put the value of AP it means R plus A plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon BP, that is R minus A. So the Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is common to all, and that is 1 upon R minus A, 1 upon R minus A minus 1 upon R plus A. And after solving, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught and 1 upon R minus A minus 1 upon R plus A. The LCM is R minus A, R plus A. R minus A, R plus A, that is the LCM. Here the R minus A, so the value is R plus A, and here minus R plus A, so that is R minus A. What will be the final result? That is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and that is R plus A minus, open the bracket, minus R minus plus A upon R square minus A square. This is the formula of A square minus B square, A plus B and A minus B. So here the R and R both are cancelled out to each other. The final value is equals to Q into value of 2A upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square. Since we know that the dipole moment P equals to charge multiplied with distance, that is total Q into 2A. So here the V will be equals to, electric potential will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and the Q into 2A will be replaced by a letter P, the dipole moment, upon R square minus A square. This is the final formula for electric potential. But a special case, if R is much more greater than A, R is much more greater than A, then the value of V will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and what happened? That is P, and A square will be eliminated, discarded. So P upon R square. This is final expression. This is final expression. So my dear student, this is the final expression of electric potential due to a dipole, but for only one case, and the case is electric potential at an axial point of a dipole. For next cases, we just give you next video. So This is the brief introduction about electric potential due to a dipole. Thank you.